Welcome, and I'm going to show you how to fix a zipper slide fix easiest way, like within a 5 minutes typically, and cost effective. I have a fishing bag, and as you see, the original slider broken. So I was trying to dump it out, trash it out, but I found some good, useful information. I didn't know they sell like a zipper slider in United States. As an immigrant, and back in South Korea, it's easier and cheaper. Find a service person, dry cleanings a place. Normally they have a sewing person, paying a $1 or $2. Easy to fix. But United States it's practically not possible. Very costly. Hire someone, sewing person to do the job. So either you have a skill set of your own skills to do it by yourself. But today I'm going to show you the very simple way to fix it. Okay, this is a before and after. And first of all, I don't know how to sew. I did 1 or 2 times. I'm not good at it. I'm not the person of the weaving or whatever. Okay, I'm not that kind of person. And first of all, let me introduce this video. Show you how to install the zipper slider, and very good information. So once you buy a new part and how to install, so this is a good information. And I bought the cheaper solution like this, and very cheap, and more than three actually. How to say? Okay, 5 pieces, yes, and then 5 pieces of zipper. I have 2 bags have the broken slider issue. Initially, I found this really good information. Looks good quality. But as you see, one single component is $10.99. Not only that, they charge you the shipping cost. The good thing is more. You can open up the zipper slider and install it, and then adjust back to the original, original position. So easy installation. That's my understanding. I was trying to order, but as I said, it's cost. And then secondary, I looked at this Walmart, and it's cheaper definitely. And as you see, this is what I'm talking about. Open the jaw, and then zipper tooth, install it, and then put it back. But I couldn't find it, and then trying to order it, and it was not possible back then, a couple of days ago. And I found the other alternative. I ordered this one, but make sure the size. This one is is size number 5. Okay, slider number 5, and the teeth width is 6 millimeter. How to measure? And this is a measure. I'm going to show you all of URL underneath my video. You can reference to. Okay, refer to. So this is the width of the tooth. Okay, so I measured physically here to here, physically here to here, so 6 millimeters. So I knew that when I order this one, size wise, this is the right size. Okay, so make sure measure your the subject, the size of the zipper size. Okay, and the second tip is installation. Originally the bag was sewn tightly, so I could not slide from the beginning. Okay, so I use the utility knife, cut a little bit, make it open up, and then I can start from the here. Okay, starter, and then slide into here. And maybe it's a little bit of rough, but if you try a little bit, if you refer to the video, it's not that hard. I can say typically 5 minutes, but you may need a utility knife or the tools like a driver or something similar, and in order to make it easier to install. Okay. So thank you again, and please leave your comments, and if you like my video, and be a subscriber, and thanks for watching.